Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have a Galaxy S10 Plus with a better display. And this Samsung has been in a very rough tumble. So as per usual, our resident Samsung expert technician here in the shop, David, will replace the broken display. But first, he's gonna remove the back cover by slowly prying it off the device. So we have to be very careful here. We're gonna reuse this back cover later when we reassemble the whole thing. And back cover is off. Then we're gonna remove the screws that we can see here. This is the first layer. This is for the wireless charging and of course the NFC. We're gonna remove this module and the shroud for the motherboard, and we can see the battery now and the motherboard. First, we're gonna detach the battery so that we will prevent any damage on the electronics inside. So we're gonna disassemble the whole thing. And Galaxy S10 Plus, just like the previous Galaxy smartphones that we repaired here in the shop, when you replace the display, you're also gonna replace the frame. So the frame and the display is one piece. So the rest will be out, and the parts will be transplanted to the new display. So this is the replacement screen. So it's not the same color, I guess, so that's gonna be aesthetic, but it's gonna work well with the original parts. We're just gonna transplant the battery and of course the screws. The headphone jack still has a headphone jack, and we're gonna secure the charging port, and then the cover for the lower part of the board. So we're gonna use the electric screwdriver here because there's a lot of screws holding this together. And the final part. So as you can see, it's pretty direct, but the expense of replacing a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is kind of pretty big because the component is integrated into one, the display and the frame. Although it's very easy to replace them, sourcing the correct part can be very tricky. So if you want to DIY this and you are shopping around for parts, make sure you get the right one. Or if you don't want the hassle, you can go to a reputable repair shop or just visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We will source the part for you, we will install it and give you a guarantee. And we're gonna give you a fair price for the cost of the repair and the parts. So David is very confident that this will work. There's no way that we can test it without fully disassembling and reassembling the whole thing, but well, he's the man. So this is the back cover. We're just gonna install fresh glue on this one and then press it in to complete the repair. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the same problem, or you have other smartphones with a similar problem, you can head on to Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We'll see what we can do with your device. We'll give you a free quote. We're gonna source the parts for you and install them. Well, while you're waiting, this one has been a quick repair because David has fixed a lot of Samsung Galaxies in the past few months. So this one is easy breezy. It's also very clean. This one is ready for the client. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're gonna recharge this, and till next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.